December 2025, Release Summary. Google Calendar Integration. On the dashboard, you'll find the Google Calendar option. Simply click it and enter your calendar ID. When Google Calendar is on the scheduler, automatically fetches and displays events from the employee's configured Google Calendar. How to integrate Google Calendar. How to get your calendar ID. Go to Google Calendar on your desktop or mobile browser. Select the calendar you want to integrate. Hover over the calendar you want to use and click on the three dots menu. Click Settings and Sharing from the drop-down options. Under Access Permissions for Events, tick the checkbox, Make Available to Public. Note: this step is necessary to allow the system to retrieve event details using public API access. Copy this calendar ID for the next step. Paste the calendar ID you copied earlier. Click Save. Once done, your Google Calendar will be connected to your BytePhase CRM account and ready to sync your events. Consequently, you should now see your Google Calendar events synced automatically. If the Google Calendar are not synced, please refresh the page. Optional. Share your calendar with the BytePhase CRM account. Go to the Share with Specific People or Groups section. Paste this service account email. Next, under Permissions, select Make Changes to Events. Click on the Send button to save changes. Now, in your BytePhase system, choose the Google option to enable one-click event updates. For G Suite users, sign in to your Google Admin Console at admin.google.com. From the left sidebar, click on Apps. Select Google Workspace and select Calendar. Next, click on Sharing Settings. Next, under External Sharing Options for primary calendars, choose Share All Information and allow managing of calendars. Finally, click on Save to apply the settings. Actionable Dashboard. The dashboard has been upgraded with actionable insights. You can now view daily pending tasks and notifications for all employees, helping you stay on top of daily activities more efficiently. Customer deletion. On the customer listing page, you now have the option to delete a customer whenever needed. Use this button to delete the customer. Create custom job types. You can now create custom job types. This helps you categorize repair tickets more accurately. Create custom payment types. You can now create your own payment types. It helps you manage different payment methods.